Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are all doing well. It's Oscar, and let me just tell you, Peloton just took a massive dive. Reason it took a massive dive, it says that they're halting their production on the bikes, treadmills as the demand wanes. As obviously, like in current day, there's more people going out, going outside for exercise, going to work, and there's less and less people, I guess, staying home. Although it's kind of interesting to think now, with so many cases and everything going around, there might be more people staying at home. But Peloton was one of the companies that did really well when the whole lockdown situation started and everything like that. Same thing with Zoom. Before the lockdown started, Peloton was a $19 share. At peaks in December of 2020, Peloton was worth $162 a share. And now, currently, right now, it's $25.82. Earlier today, it was $32. So around $12.45, it was $32. About 15-20 minutes later, it was $24. So dropped around $8. There were people I saw that made thousands of dollars on just maybe like $100 or $200 put investment. And it says here that Peloton's temporarily halting their production of its connected fitness products as consumer demand wanes and the company looks to control costs, according to internal documents obtained by CNBC. There's a significant reduction around the world due to shoppers' price sensitivity and the amplified competitor activity. So Peloton, the equipment that they produced, from my understanding, was quite expensive. Yeah, so a Peloton Tread full body or total body fitness live and on demand basics package is $2,500, and there's a company here that looks to do the exact same thing as Peloton that's called Echelon. It's $1,500 for a bike with the same type of screen, iPad I guess you could call it, and looks pretty nice. The interesting thing about Peloton is that, you know, this thing was doing really well, and I don't know, it's just interesting to see that such negative news. I know negative news can do a big impact on a stock, but to have a stock drop basically $8 in 15-20 minutes is absolutely insane. So I don't know, people will probably be looking at Peloton. I mean, even today they're going to be looking at it probably the rest of the week, but as of right now, Peloton did go up. It went all the way back up to basically the $27 area, and ever since then it's been going down. So who knows? It could be going even more down. I'm sure there's people that are pulling out their investments because of this news. And yeah, it says, interestingly, in 2021, Peloton dropped 76%. So who knows? Is Peloton going to keep staying around? Is it going to kind of be a stock that goes, I mean, maybe it might not go to zero, but it may get close under those $20 levels. But it'll be interesting. So I did see a couple people buying $10 put options. Is that a good idea? In my opinion, I'm not sure. Could it keep going lower? Yes. If you load up on the $10 contracts, maybe. But like I said, there were people today that made thousands of percents in returns, put in $100 or $200, and ended up coming out the day with over $1,000. So interesting. That's just how options work, how negative news catalysts work on stocks. And yeah, interesting to see this happening because, I don't know, Peloton, I mean, it was a good idea. It was one of these recovery, I wouldn't say recovery stocks, but it was one of these pandemic stocks that did really well, similar to Zoom and Teladoc. But I think Zoom and Teladoc have a little bit further to go. As things start opening up, of course, people aren't going to stay at home. They're going to go out. They're going to go to the gym. It was a good idea for what it was, but I think for the long run, it's a little expensive, and most people don't have like $2,500 to drop on a treadmill with a screen. So just wanted to make this quick little video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any comments, put those down below. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, share with your friends, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.